Welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today's session is going to be very interesting. I'm going to teach you how to find the square of any number between 1 to 100 in a fraction of seconds. And you're gonna love this trick. So let's begin. Uh, if I take any number, say 32, and you have to find the square of this number. So I told you that there is a traditional method. 32 square means you have to multiply 32 with 32, right? And we do traditional multiplication this way: 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, then 4, 6 6 12, and then 10. So for children take time to do this traditional multiplication. Let's learn the short methods to do this. So 32 square, what we have to do, we have to write the square of this digit, which is 9, the square of this digit, which is 2 2s are 4, right? So we write here as 4. Now you multiply these three digits. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, and write it in the middle. Now this one is a carryover, goes here, which makes 9 plus 1, 10, 2, 4. And if you match it, it is same as this, right? So this trick is very simple. You have to write the square of both the numbers on side by side. Then in the center, here, write the product of these three digits. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. If there is any carryover, always pass it like we do in simple addition. Let's take another example. Another example, if you write 42 square. So again, what we will be doing, we will write the square of 4, which is 16, the square of 2, which is 4. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 here. Now there is no carry, here we have a carry, pass it to here. 16 plus 1, 17, 6, 4. This will be the square of 42. Now see, next number, suppose I am taking 92 square. Again we will repeat the same thing. 9 9s are 81, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 2s are 36. No carry here, here we have 3, pass it to here, which gives you 81 plus 3 as 84, and this 6 and 4 as it is. So 8464. So let's see another number at the unit place. If I take a number, suppose 73 square. Okay, so 7 sevens are 49, again 3 threes are 9, 7 threes are 21, into 2 gives you 42. Take this 4 here, 49 plus 4 will be 53, 2, 9. So this will be the answer. Let's do more numbers. 81 square. 8 8s are 64, and square of 1 is how much? The square of 1 will be 1. Now product of these three, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now this one we will add here, it gives you 6561. That will be the square of this number. Now in these examples, if you notice, there was one thing. Here at this place you are getting a single digit number, right? And we are getting a carryover in the middle place here. We are getting a carryover here which we have passed to the next place, right? Now we will see few numbers apart if we are having any other number at the unit place. Let's see those examples, what we will be doing in such cases, right? So if I take a number, suppose 37 square. Let's do the same way first. 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49, 3 7s are 21, 21 2s are 42. Now what is the difference here? If you see, I am getting a 2-digit number here also. So before you pass this 4 here, first what we will be doing, we have to pass this 4 with this. So your new steps will be, when you add this 4 with 42, 42 plus 4 becomes 46, and this becomes a single digit now, 9 as it is. Now the same step, 9 plus 4 becomes 13, and this 6, 9 as it is. Therefore the square of 37 will be 1369. Let's see more example. If I take 29, this will also give me 81 here. It means a 2-digit number, and 2 2s are 4. Square multiplication of these 3 digits. 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Now add this 8 here first. 36 plus 8 will be 44. Copy this one as it is. Now this 4 here, because this is a 2-digit number. 4 plus 4, 8, and this is your 4 1 as it is, 41. So this is the square of 29, which is 841. It's getting interesting. Let's see more examples. If I take, say, a bigger number, 78 square, right? So again let's do the same thing. 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 7 eights are 56, 56 into 2 will be 112. Now this is a 2-digit number, add this 6 here, so 49 and 118 and this becomes 4. Now what will you do? This 11 is here, so you have to carry over. 49 plus 11 will be how much? 60, and this 8 and 4 as it is. So even the method remains same for the bigger number. If you take another number, let me take as 98 square. So what we will do? We will do the same process. 9 nines are 81, 8 eights are 64. Now 9 eights are 72 and 72 into 2 is 144. But you can multiply if you are not sure. So this is 144. Now this 6 you will add here, 81. What is 144 plus 6? It is 150, and copy this 4 as it is. Now this 15 we will add here. 81 plus 15 will be how much? 96, and this 0 and this 4 as it is. So this is how we can do it. Let's take one more example. If I take say 48 square. Again the same method, 4 fours are 16, 8 eights are 64, 4 eights are 32, 32 twos are 64. Now you have to add this 6 here. How much you will get? 64 plus 6 will give you 70. Copy this 4 as it is. Now take this 7 here. 16 plus 7 will be 2304. This will be the square of 48. Now if you remember, in my previous video I taught you a trick to find the square of numbers ending with 5, right? 25, 35, 45 and so on we have done till 95, even we have done for 15. So it means to find the square of number having 5 at unit place was super easy. So if I take one example, say 65 square, right? I will be explaining you this number with both the methods which we have done earlier also and this method also. So in previous method what we have done for the digits ending with 5, you have to write 25 at here. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and 6 sevens are 42. So you have to multiply the tens place digit with next consecutive number and your answer is ready. And with the same method which we have just done now, 6 6 are 36 and then 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60, adding 2 here which will give you 3 6 62 5. Then this 6 goes here, 36 plus 6 will give you 42 and this 2 and 5 is here. So you see your answer is same. But whenever there is a 5 at unit place digit, I will always suggest this method because this method is super short and very interesting and very easy. I'll take one more example. If the number is 85 square. Okay, so with the previous method, what was that? 5 5s are 25 and the next consecutive number is 9, 8 9s are 72. So this is done. Now if I follow the method which I have just explained in this video, this method is only applicable if the unit place digit is 5. Okay, so 8 8s are 64, 5 5s are 25, 8 5s are 40, 42s are 80. Now you have to add this 2 here which gives you 64, 82 and 5. Add this 8 here, 64 plus 8 will be 72 to 5. So you see you are getting the same answer by any method. So you can always try other numbers. Share in comment box how quickly you can find the square of any two number. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon with next trick.